Okay, so today we'll be doing a virtual lab based on titration. So what we're gonna be needing is the KHP, which stands for the potassium hydrogen phthalate, with an indicator, which is the phenolphthalein, and then the sodium hydroxide and a burette. So what we'll be doing is determining the concentration of NOOH. So what we're gonna be doing is pouring the sample into the burette, and we're gonna be adding 50 ml of sodium hydroxide. So once this is already done, what we're gonna be doing is adding the indicator to the KHP solution. So as we add it, we're gonna be adding 1 ml of the indicator into the solution. So as we had add 1 ml, what we're gonna be doing now is the burette that contains the sodium hydroxide, we're gonna be added. So we're gonna make the burette reacts with the solution. So we're gonna be adding first a 10 ml of sodium hydroxide into the KHP. So to see a color change. So what will occur here is that the KHP will react with the NOH and AOH, and what will happen is that a color will change. So it's gonna be like a pink color, and if that color turns out, then that means that the titration has reached its point. So we're gonna add another 1 ml, and no color change. So we're gonna add another 1 ml, so no color change. So we're gonna add 0.5. So as we could see, 0.5 was added. So we're gonna add another. As you could see, that the color starting changing. So if we add another 0.5, then that means that the color automatically change here, and which means that we have already reached our end of our titration. Now to find the calculation for this, what we're gonna be doing is first we're gonna need to find the average of the solution. So the average for the solution is 13.2. That's the average. So what we're gonna be doing, so our average is 13.2, and what we're gonna be doing is converting the 0.5 molars to 25 ml, which will be 12.15 moles of acid KHP. So 1 mole of sodium hydroxide will equals 1 mole of KHP, which is the 12.5 mole of NaOH. So what we're gonna, to find the concentration of sodium, what happened is that the 12.5 moles will be divided by the 13.2 millimeters. And when we divide these two numbers, our answer is 0.946 mole of sodium hydroxide. So the concentration mole is 0.946 moles of sodium hydroxide. And this is how we determine our titration.